Hello, this is Chris from Drink Production. Welcome. This video is made about our labeling and packaging, and I would like to express a couple of things. I know many of you, when you start your business or drink business, you want your product to look the best in whatever possible. However, sometimes you don't have substantial amount of money to invest in different types of packaging, because obviously in this industry we have MOQs for some packaging and production, and that all depends on many different things. Many of you choose shrinking sleeve, which we offer, and I think it's a good solution for a couple of reasons. As you can see, first of all, you can choose, of course, labeling, but label which is placed on the silver can have a problem, because we manufacture drinks when they with shrinking sleeve or label in silver cans with no print whatsoever, and then obviously we can apply the sleeve and need to shrink. And when it's finished, it looks like this. Pretty much is from the top to the bottom, and there is no gaps. Of course, there is a gluing in the sleeve. Of course, some letters could slightly move because of the shrink material. When it shrinks, the letters could move in a small manner. However, this you can put in the water, in an ice bucket, nothing happens to this. But when you're using the label, obviously is not from the top to the bottom. There is some space. You will see the silver on the top and the bottom. And also there is a gap on the back. The label is actually quite easy to peel. However, if this is the solution, which one you would like to do, we're there for you as well. Not a problem whatsoever. This type of labeling is actually available also on cans like 250 meter slim, 330 meter slick, and half a liter like this. So this is all available with shrinking sleeve labeling on it. However, I will just present one more time. Shrinking sleeve label this product is of one of our good customers, Good Spirits company. They're very good at drink mocktails with unique taste and a very nice modern approach to the customers with no sugar. So fantastic product developed with us. I highly recommend that company. However, some of you, they say, oh, we would like a direct print. And this is the direct print. And this is true. The direct print with, some gold parts or a matte finish looks really, really nice. It's from the top to bottom. It's very even. But this requires order of 275,000 cans. Where if you go for the shrinking sleeve or labeling, you start with 33,000 units. So it's something for something. This you have to prepay empty cans to us to produce with the direct print, because the MOQ is 275,000. This is what we have to pay and order with the can manufacturer, because we don't produce cans. We order them from the can producer as a packaging, and then we just fill it at our facility. Okay, so that's one explanation. The shrinking sleeve is also good on shots. As you can see, this is actually very good quality. You can also have a plump on the top, but you can peel it, that when it's open, you will know that the product has been opened or not. This one is actually made from the top to the bottom, and it's a really, really nice product as well, a good quality looking product. Of course, it's sleeve, and some of the letters can slightly move and shrink, as you can see on the band here. This is what's happening, because this material shrinks and works. And we have no influence on that. Once it goes to the steam tunnel, it shrinks. That's it. It doesn't asking us how. It just shrinks with the allowance of material, how it can shrink. We also do obviously labeling for the bottles, 275 and 330 ml. And this is the type of labels we do. You can have with metallic finishes or matte, classic one. There's always a gap of the label on the back, so you have to be aware of that. And then we also do glass shots, and this is the type of bottles we do. And again, you can have front or back label, okay, with metallic finish if you wish. This is what we do. This is the type of generally speaking labeling we do for cars mainly. I hope that will kind of help you to understand the process. I hope this movie also will help you to make your mind what type of labeling you want to choose for your production, what is suiting the best of your project and your journey. So I hope you get in touch shortly with us for your dream production. We're there for you. In the meantime, thank you for watching. Bye.